Hi boys and girls, how are you doing today? It's math time again and Big Bird is here with me. Please say hi to Big Bird. Today we are going to have a very interesting lesson. We are going to learn more about shapes. Do you know this one? Okay, as we go along in the lesson, we will learn more about 2D shapes. Here I have a lovely yellow shape. What do you notice about this shape? Well, it goes around, it's curved, and it goes around and around, around and around, around and around. It's a circle. We say it has a curve all around. It doesn't have a straight line like this. No, circles have curved line going all around it. Here I have a gearboard and a rubber band. Can you help me construct or make a circle? Let us try. Please tell me if I'm doing it right. See, I'm getting my rubber band in a curve. Yes. Is that a circle? But this part is not curved, right? It has a straight line. So perhaps we can continue and get it right. Oh, how about here? I got it wrong some more. Oh, is it right? No, let's go round and round and round. A little bit more. There, almost there. So here, you and I made a lovely circle. It has a curved surface all around. Goes around and around, around and around. This shape is called a circle. Now I will show you how to draw a circle on a grid. Let us draw a circle on the grid. You will find this grid on page 363 in your Go Math book. We will use a pencil, a marker, and a paper clip to help us draw the circle. Let's put the paper clip around the middle of our page. We're going to open our marker to be ready. Put the pencil like right on the dot inside the paper clip. Make sure the paper clip is touching the point of the pencil. Hold your pencil, put the marker on the other side, and you can begin to draw your circle gently. You go round and around and around and around and around and around and around. When you get to here, you can stop a little bit and continue to draw your circle just like that. See, we made a beautiful circle using the paper clip, the pencil, and our marker. Boys and girls, let's do this activity, which is found on page 357 of your Go Math textbook. In this page, we have two groups, circles and not circles. We have a lot of shapes here and we want to put our shapes in the correct group. So I have this shape that has a nice curve all around. Which group should we put it in? Circles or not circles? That's right, it is a circle. How about this one? This shape has some straight sides, 4 of them. So it is not a circle. This one, it doesn't have the curve all around, so this one is also not a circle. How about this one here? Yes, you got it. This one has a curve all around, so it belongs to the group circles. This shape does not belong to circles. It doesn't have a curve all around. How about this one? It goes around, but it has straight lines. So it doesn't have a curve all around. This one is not a circle. This one, yes, boys and girls, it has a curve all around, so this one belongs to circle. And finally, this one has 3 sides, doesn't have the curve all around, so it is not a circle. Belongs in the group not circles. There, we have it. Circles, not circles. You can trace the shapes that belong to circles and not circles and color them. Here we have a new shape. Is it curved like the circle? What do you notice? It is not. It has straight lines. Let's count how many lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we say it has 4 sides and straight lines. All the lines are the same distance or length. This is called a square. And we have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 corners. A corner is called a vertex, and corners we say vertices. So a square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has 4 corners or 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. This shape is called a square. Let us make a square using our geoboard and rubber band. Please help me, boys and girls. Remember, a square has 4 sides and all the sides are equal. So let's see. If I begin here, I can count like 1, 2, 3. So one side has 3 pegs, and then I can count again 1, 2, 3, and I count below and there 1, 2, 3, and this side will also have 1, 2, 3. So this is my square using the rubber band and the geoboard. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Let's count the vertices or corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. This shape is a square. All the sides are equal. There are 4 sides and 4 corners or vertices. On page 366 of your Go Math textbook, you will find this worksheet. On this page, you see many different shapes, but it says to mark an X on all of the squares. I'll do the first one for you and you can complete the rest. Do you remember how we can identify a square? That's right, it has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. So let's look at the first shape. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the sides are equal. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. So yes, this is a square. So you mark an X on your square. You look for the other squares and continue. When you find all of them, you mark an X and your worksheet will be done. Here we have a lovely red shape. Do you know the shape? It has some sides and some corners or vertices. Let's count the sides. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. That's right, there are 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3. So this shape has 3 sides and 3 vertices or corners. I'm going to put a circle around the vertices. See, here is a vertex, here is another vertex, and here is another. So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices and 1, 2, 3 sides. It's called a triangle. Triangles have 3 sides. Let's see if we can make the triangle using our geoboard and rubber band. 3 sides, 3 vertices. So perhaps I can start here and try to stretch it over, let's say here, and hopefully it will stay, and then I can bring it over this way. So let's see if I got a triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3 vertices. So yes, I made a lovely triangle using my geoboard. On page 373 of your Go Math book, you will find this worksheet. We have 2 groups, triangles, not triangles. We are going to try to put our shapes in the correct group. I need your help. Do you remember what a triangle is? Yes, a shape that has 3 sides and 3 vertices. So this one has 3 sides and 3 vertices. So this one is a triangle. We put it in the group triangles. This one has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that it doesn't belong to the group of triangles. This one is not a triangle. How about this one? This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So this one is, that's right, not a triangle. How about this one? It has 1, 2, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices. So yes, this is a triangle. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. So this one is not a triangle. That's right. This one, 1, 2, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3 vertices. So yes, this one is a triangle. How about this one? This one is curved all around. So this is not a triangle. It is a circle. And our last shape is a triangle. You got it right. So here we have all our triangles, the shapes that have 3 sides and 3 vertices. These are not triangles. You can draw triangles and color them on this side and draw shapes that are not triangles on this side. Thank you, boys and girls. Boys and girls, Big Bird is showing us a different shape that he likes. Let's look at this shape. What do you notice? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And it has 2 long sides that are the same and 2 short sides that are the same length. So this shape has 4 sides, but all of the sides are not equal. We have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. So this shape, although it has 4 sides and 4 vertices, it's not a square because all of the sides are not the same length. So what do you call this shape? Well, it's called a rectangle. Does it look like this? Is this the same? Is this a rectangle? Let's see. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Right? It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. The 2 long sides are equal to each other, and so are the 2 short sides. So this is called a rectangle. And as we said, each corner is a vertex. So we have 4 vertices. This shape is called a rectangle. Sometimes it's turned this way. So we can turn it this way and it would still be a rectangle. Here on this page 383 of your Go Math textbook, you have this picture which is made of different shapes. We want to identify the rectangles and color them. Let us look at the shapes. Is this one a rectangle? How do we know? Well, a rectangle has 4 sides, 2 long sides and 2 short sides, and 4 vertices. But this one only has 3, so this is not a rectangle. This one, yes, 2 long sides and 2 short sides, so this is a rectangle. How about this bigger one? Let's see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, that's right, 4 corners, and it has 2 long equal sides, 2 short equal sides. So yes, this is also a rectangle. How about this little one? Now this one has 4 sides and 4 corners. Is this a rectangle? No, it's a square because all of the sides are equal. This one is, yes, rectangle, 2 long sides, 2 short sides. Another rectangle, 2 long sides, 2 short sides, yes, and 4 vertices. Rectangle. How about this one? No, triangle, because it has only 3 sides. You have another rectangle, yes, another rectangle. So you look for all the rectangles and color them to complete your picture. Thank you. Here we see a lovely shape with many sides. What shape is this? Let's count the sides and then I will tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this shape has 6 sides. We call it a hexagon, which means a 6-sided shape. Sometimes you see this shape when you're driving on the road and you see the stop sign, you would see this shape. Now, as usual, each corner is called a vertex. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Sorry, 6 vertices. And we also have 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, the vertex is the corner. So we have sides and corners. 6 of them. 6 sides, 6 corners. This is called a hexagon. And I've made a hexagon on the geoboard to show you. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there are 6 sides, and let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the hexagon is a special shape that has 6 sides. Boys and girls, for homework, you can complete page 390, 390 and page 391 in your Go Math textbook. Here you're asked to mark an X on all of the hexagons you find. I will do the first one for you. Is this shape a hexagon? Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, this is a hexagon. You look for the other hexagons and mark an X right on the hexagon. On this page, you have different shapes as well. It forms a crab. And we have some background ocean. Let's look at this shape. It has 1, 2, 3 sides. Is this a hexagon? No. Do you remember we learned the 3-sided shape with 3 sides and 3 vertices is called a triangle. You got that right. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, and 6 vertices. So this is a hexagon, and you will have to color the hexagon in your page. I've colored mine in yellow, and you look for the other hexagons and color them. It will be fun to count and see how many hexagons you got. Here is a pretty big one. Continue to work, do your best, and I hope that you will also receive an excellent grade for your work.
Let's play the Name the Shape game. It's fun. Name the shape game. Come on, everyone. I'll show a shape that's 2D. Then you name the shape right before me. Circle. Square. Triangle. Rectangle. Hexagon. Circle. Square. Rectangle. Hexagon. Triangle. Square. Name the shape game. It's fun. Name the shape game. Play, everyone. Now you'll see the shapes in all different places. Triangle. Rectangle. Square. circle, hexagon, triangle. Now you say the name of the shape all by yourself. Name the shape game, it's fun. Name the shape game, play everyone. I know my shapes, I see them all around. And you can see them too at your school, home or town.
Boys and girls, I know you enjoy those videos. I look around my home to see which different shapes I can find. I picked out 2 objects that I want to show you. Can you help me identify the shapes? Here is my magnifying glass. And you see this shape with a curve. Yes, all around it's curved. So this shape is a circle. You got it right, boys and girls. Here is another one I picked out. It's my pizza lunchbox. What shape is this one? It has 3 sides and 3 vertices. So you're right. It is a triangle. I hope you will find all the different shapes we learned about in objects right in your home. I hope that we will continue to learn more about shapes in our next lesson. Bye!